Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन से आपको पता चल ही गया होगा कि दिस व्लॉग इज़ गोइंग टू बी अबाउट अ रिसेंट रोड ट्रिप टू कूर्ग एंड हम रुके थे इन अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रिजॉर्ट अमिड्स्ट अ कॉफ़ी प्लांटेशन. द नेम ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज़ स्काई लार्क एंड इट्स लोकेटेड अराउंड 290 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम बैंगलोर. तो हमें ईजिली 6.5 घंटा लग जाता वहाँ पहुँचने में. इसीलिए वी टुक अ स्मॉल ब्रेक जब हमने एक ब्यूटीफुल लेक देखा ऑन आवर वे टू द प्रॉपर्टी. आप भी यहाँ थोड़ी देर रुक सकते हैं. यू कैन जस्ट पुल ओवर, स्पेंड सम टाइम हियर, टेक इन सम फ्रेश एयर एंड देन हिट द रोड अगेन. Although the road and journey overall was very good, but it started to turn into a bumpy ride. Just a few kilometers till we reached the property, and here is the entrance. On the left you can see the boat for Sky Larc, and it's a beautiful entrance. It's narrow, but again on both sides you have these huge trees surrounded by a coffee plantation, and here is the first view of the property from their restaurant. You take a look around anywhere in this property and all you're gonna find is lush greenery. They do have some rooms on the other side which are much cheaper than the cottages, and where we are currently sitting at, this is their in-house restaurant. So yeah, we're gonna grab some food before we show you the rooms. Alright, so these are the cottages that they have. There are 12 premium cottages, and we booked the one on top with the pool facing view. Each cottage comes with its own private balcony. I will share the price of the cottages and the link to the property in the description box so you can check them out. This particular cottage here has the best view. You get to see the lush greenery as well as the beautiful lake right from the balcony. We did get to stay there one night as a free upgrade, but that's a different topic. But let's get back to the room tour now. As you can see, it is an elevated cottage. Basically all of the cottages here are elevated ones. You get a basic table chair to sit down, a wooden hanger, an air cooler, and all of the furnitures here are made of solid wood. So you have a double bed here with a live edge wooden back frame. There's a full heighted mirror, a two-door wardrobe, and it also comes with a window that opens to the coffee plantation and the greenery around here. So I would suggest that you keep this closed because of the insects and mosquitoes in the evening. You also have a decent sized washroom, and you get all of the toiletries that you would want to be there. And if there is anything that you need extra, you can always reach out to the team via WhatsApp and they can arrange that for you. So let's have a look at the balcony. So it's a really great, decent sized balcony with the pool view right there, and just a few steps down you can just get into the pool whenever you feel like. This is the backyard. There are so many beautiful peace lilies around here that it just had my heart. I have never seen so many peace lilies around a property. And this is the view of it. When you come down from the property, this is their gym with the open glass view. So if you are someone who likes to hit the gym, then you get this beautiful view right from there. This is the lake that I was talking about, and just look around. You have nothing but nature surrounded this place, and it's a really beautiful evening out here, and sunsets as usual my favorite. And this is how this place looks like around that time. Alright, this is the next morning, and change of rooms. So we were moved to the lake facing cottage this morning, mainly because there was a group of guys who were staying adjacent to the pool view room, And yeah, they were there to have fun, so they were making a lot of noise, but we wanted some peace and calm for ourselves. So we told the property manager, and they were really kind enough to get us moved to this particular cottage, which is much farther away from the pool facing one. So as for the rooms, as you can see, it's the same. Everything remains the same style of furniture, the same style of washroom. The only change that you would see here, and I would say a good one for that matter, is the change of view. So you get to see the beautiful lake from here. And we sat here in the evening time. It was raining, and we had a chai and pakora sitting here. We did not film that part because we're just trying to live that moment, but yeah, you would understand how beautiful that evening would look like. So yeah, we had a great stay at this property, and I would highly recommend to anyone who's wanting to stay in Coorg. So that's all I have in today's vlog. If you liked it, do leave a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you soon in another vlog. Till then, take good care. Bye bye.